starting.
Yeah.
Is this Rajiv?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, hi Rajiv.
Yeah. Hi,
So
Prince. Yeah.
yesterday I could not attend the class.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
is there anything that I need to download? I mean to say, uh, because SAS also is a coding. So do I need to download some software?
Yeah. I mean, yesterday, I have shared the recording, right? Did you, get a
No,
chance
I
to
could not get the time to go through entire
Oh,
video.
okay. That's okay. I mean, yesterday class, was just a SAS intro. I mean, how does it work
Mhm,
and in what all fields, use that being used.
mhm.
That's okay. Today, at the end of the session, I'll teach, I'll just, how to download SAS session, how to just open a SAS session.
Okay,
So yesterday in
sure.
the session, I just went on and I just went to the SAS session in the end. It's how to open it and all.
Okay.
Yeah, that's okay, sir. So do one thing. And meanwhile, I'll just explain this everything and let's see. If we have just sir, this just open the chat window. I mean, you might be having the chat window, right? Just open the chat window
Yeah. Hmm.
and see. Do you see any website in it? Space,
No.
okay, no, no. Just reshare it again.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So now click on this
Yeah, I
and,
got it.
and yeah, and open this one, sir.
Hmm. Yeah, got it.
Okay. Yeah, you will see in this way.
Okay.
Okay. You will see a window in this
Hmm.
way. So
Yeah.
it's already logged in. The thing is,
Hmm.
um, at at the top right corner, you'll see a sign in option.
Yeah.
Click on that, and at the bottom you see don't have a SAS profile. Click on that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. It'll just give you some details to be filled in. Just fill in those details. I mean your
Okay.
details. Post that,
Yeah.
post that it will just ask you for a verification through your email. Okay, just
Okay.
activate the verification, activate the through your email, and then after 5-10 minutes, it'll just your profile gets activated. Then you can
Okay.
sign in using your user ID and password. Your user ID
Yeah.
will be your email and password will be your choice. In this way,
Mm-hmm.
the same way, go to the top right corner and just press on this and just type in your sign in details. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
You'll get this you'll get this launch button. Press on the launch button,
Mm.
and you'll get this window in this way. Uh, should I do? Yeah,
Okay.
I already have few things previously, so you're getting in this way a blank page. It's called a blank
Mm-hmm.
editor. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Just open that. Meanwhile, we'll just go to a simple things.
Sure. Sure.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yesterday, we went through this until this SAS functionality, where we have four important, where we have four important topics. I mean, four important areas where SAS is used. Apart from that, now I'll just start with some examples. There's a simple example where where we load our own data with the help of with the help of SAS programming. Okay, let me show you a simple thing. Everything will be explained.
We lost your voice.
Yeah. Hello, Rajiv.
Yeah, no, I'm just copying this one. Yeah.
Okay. We thought like,
Um, yeah, yeah. So there's a simple code where where we can generate the data of our own. There's a data. Yesterday we went through it. So again, yeah, in this way, we get the data in this way. this entire data will be appended to the columns, or the variable names. Okay. And there's the other one. This is the other one where we already have a data, and we just want to make some changes to it. So we just use this command called set. Okay, so it sets this data set 1. So this ds1 is the data set 1 into ds2. So what we're doing here is we are just I'm just showing you this, uh, just for example. We'll go in detail in the next in the upcoming sessions. Okay. So this format. So we just I just want to um, modify this particular salary. So this is called salary into commas. Okay, we'll see. And and simultaneously I want to drop this age. So I'm using a drop equal to age means I just want to remove the age column. Okay. So previously it used to be without commas, and now it is with commas. Okay. So just
Rajiv,
yeah.
to run, what did you click?
Okay. So just select this one and press F3.
Yeah,
So I'll
F3.
teach you, I'll just teach you each and every option in this. Just
Mm-hmm.
just to know, I'm just showing you now and how the SAS actually works. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. So this is the button. This is the
Okay,
run button, or else
run.
yeah, just select this entire code and press F3.
Okay.
F3. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah. And this one is a simple piece of code where we can sort the data with the we can sort the data on 6 because we have 6 as male into M and F. Okay, which are not in proper order. So I just sort it. So in this way, we can use different codes to just analyze, to just manipulate the data, do some scrubbing and all. And after that, I just want to, after that, I just want to print the data and send it to a send it to an external source in the form of PDF. Okay. Form of PDF. I have a sample.pdf. Yeah, here. So let me see the properties. Yeah, it got created now. Not now.
February 2nd, not now. This
Yeah,
is May, na?
yeah, yeah. See, here. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, it's March May 3rd. Yeah. And if I open this one, we can see
So
what.
you have created now or you have uploaded a PDF?
No, I have created now. So with this, with the help of this particular location, I can so, I'm creating a small data in this way, okay, and sending
Mm-hmm.
it to this external location using a command called ODS. Okay, it's called ODS
Mm-hmm.
is called output delivery system. So yesterday, we had discussed about this, but still, so it's ODS is called output delivery system through which we can we can send our preferred data to the external source. Okay, so have downloaded it. Yeah. So I got in this way. There's this is some simple report.
Okay.
Yeah.
Would
So
you be
thing is,
explaining the code as well, or you would be
yeah, I'll do
explaining
it.
at a
I'll do
later
it.
stage?
I'll do it. Thing is, Yesterday,
Hmm.
we went through a concept called, we went through a concept called SAS functionality. Okay, where
Hmm.
where we had where we have data access, data management, data analysis and data presentation. Okay, all these four
Okay.
steps, I just want to show in a simple coding. Okay, this
Okay.
word. So
Okay.
this word, we have the data. We have data extraction. We have this, data presentation and all. So, sorry, data analysis. We are done with, to analysis. And after this, the last one is, data presentation in this way.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is, these are four simple steps where we do it. Where we done, where we have done a simple, data presentation for this simple 5 lines of data. Okay. And now we'll just, come out of this. So actually, how can how can we what is the use of each and every step? Okay. What are the
Hmm.
rules of each and every step? Why do we need to use each and every step? Like this is one data, in file, input, data, set, format, and all, proc, and everything. So in detail, we'll go through those in detail now. Okay. So first of all,
Okay.
rules of SAS program. Okay. So in order to write a SAS program, we have to follow few rules. What are those? So thing is, every statement, if you see here, see here, yeah, every statement must end with semicolon. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So if you see here, every statement should, in SAS, every statement must end with semicolon. Here, semicolon, semicolon, semicolon. Okay. Because if you don't end the end the line with semicolon, SAS reads both the lines, this one and this one. Okay. If the lines if the lines doesn't match, it'll throw an error. Okay. And so we have in SAS we have two parts. One is data step, other one is proc step. Which I discussed yesterday. So now this anything that starts with data is for data step. Okay. Anything that starts with proc, this one, proc. So proc means procedures. Okay. Anything that starts with proc is called proc step. So it can be anything. Every step, maybe a proc step or or a data step, must end with run statement. Okay. It should have run statement at the end. It should it should end with run statement. Okay. So SAS program is not case sensitive. SAS program means this one. This particular piece of code is not case sensitive. I mean, not this one. These are just data. Apart from this data, this particular thing is case sensitive.
Is case sensitive or not a case sensitive?
Sorry, not a case sensitive. Not a case sensitive.
So you
Okay.
mean to say that run we can also write with small r also?
Small prop case, in capital letters or in lower case, anything is fine. Combined case, anything is fine.
Okay.
Yeah. For example, if you see here, data is in prop case. I mean, where the first letter is in uppercase and the rest are in lowercase, right? In that way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So even small d also we can write is what you are
Exactly.
saying.
In anything,
Yeah,
in
fine.
terms of programming, we can write in whichever low case we want. Okay. In the
Okay.
on the editor window. Okay. So another one is okay. Single statement can write in can write in multiple lines. Okay. Or multiple statements can be written in single line. So the point is one statement you know can be written in multiple lines. Okay. Single segment can be written in multiple lines. Okay. Or multiple segments, can have in single line. Thing is, for example, These are multiple statements. Okay, I can just remove this one and just use and then use here, and I can just remove this one. And again, I can in this way. Okay, I can just directly use multiple lines into one line. Okay, and I can have single line into multiple lines. So this is the comfort of SAS. Even if I run this, I still get the same result. Okay, that is the comfort of the SAS.
And within a line, now whatever
Mhm.
that we have made it a single line,
Mhm.
can't we put commas of each of the one and at the end semicolon? That will not work.
No, because there's a statement. Where is the statement? No, whenever you see a blue color, okay, blue color, so it means that it's a predefined, it's a predefined option of the statement in SAS. Okay, so that should end with a comma. Okay, so here
Semicolon.
what we're doing is, we are selecting few variables, I mean, few columns. And again, we want to sort this by sex. And, I'm doing a sum by, summing by sex and summing by cell. Sum on cell, and in here, summing by sex in that way. So here, if I see, I'm just, appending this DS1 to DS2. Okay,
Got it.
in that way. So it should end with comma, sorry, semicolon.
Mhm.
Okay, there is no comma here. It should end with semicolon here. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. So these are 4 rules of SAS program. Okay, of SAS program. So now rules of SAS names. Okay, SAS name in the sense this is the one. Okay, so how do you write SAS names? Okay, you see here, SAS program is color sensitive program. Okay, as I said, it's a color sensitive program. So whenever it sees any kind of its own, I mean, predefined words, so we get in terms of blue, dark blue, or dark or light blue colors. Okay, you see here keywords, so which are there in dark blue colors. These are keywords. Data is a keyword, proc is a keyword, sort is a keyword. Okay, dark blue colors, and then statements, which are in light blue colors. Okay, these are all statements. This one statement, yes, statement. These are all statements. And data. So data means this one. So we are giving a data spin of specific data to it. Okay, now we are inserting this particular piece of data into this data set. Okay, which is in yellow color. Okay, so which is background yellow color, or or no, or data, data location is in pink color. So pink color. So just don't just it'll be it'll be always be in this SAS studio we'll always have in yellow color. Background is yellow color. Background is light yellow color, and the upper part is in some data is in some brown color. Okay, I mean this particular this particular information is from another SAS SAS application. Okay, because in as we had discussed yesterday, we have many SAS applications. Okay, in which there's a free version which we have. Okay, yeah, and SAS names. So which are there in black color. These are SAS names. So these are light black colors. Okay,
So what does names means?
so names means which we define, which which the programmer defines.
Okay.
Yeah.
So particular this file is called as DS1. We are defining as DS1.
Yeah. So uh, we have discussed it yesterday itself. So this one DS1 means so data DS1 means it's called it's called we are creating a data set. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. So, we are creating a data set. So in this data set, we are passing these five columns.
Mhm.
Okay. So these are columns, these are rows. Okay. We are passing these 5 columns.
Hmm.
And to these columns, we are appending these 5 rows of data. Okay.
Okay.
So this entire thing is been loaded into this particular data set called DS1. Okay. Now we are naming we are naming our data set as DS1. Okay. So in SAS we have everything in terms of data sets. Okay. The end is data set. So just like in Excel we call it as .xlsx files. The same thing in SAS we call the file names as data sets. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and just like in database we called we call those in database we call files as tables, right? So in SAS we call them
Yeah.
as data sets.
Okay. And we can name anything, right? Instead of DS1, we can
Yeah,
name
we can
anything.
name anything. These
Hmm.
these light black colors, it's our choice.
Hmm.
Okay. And that one
Okay.
has few rules. Okay. We can name
Hmm.
anything, but that has few rules to be followed.
Hmm.
Okay. Thing is, uh, names must be these SAS names. Okay. Names must be less than or equal to 32 characters length. Okay. They cannot exceed 32 characters. For example, if I type, let's see. Six and here 64. Okay. Let's see. So we got an error here. So let's see what is the error. So you got the data set cannot have more than 32 bytes. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah. So that is the 32 characters length.
Even space is considered as byte?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So names must be less than or equal to 32 characters length. Okay. SAS names must start with alphabetic or underscore. So this particular naming convention should always start with alphabetic or underscore. It should not start with a number. Okay, we can start with the underscore or alphabet, but it should not start with number. If you start with number, let's see. Again, same error. I mean, there are no different naming convention error. Syntax error. Expecting of the following in this way. Okay. Next one. Okay. SAS name should contain alphabets, numerics, and underscore. Do not, it should not contain any special characters. Okay. It should only, so this particular naming convention should only start with alphabets or underscore and it should not contain any kind of a special character. If I just give a special character here, we get the error, syntax error. Okay. Okay. And the last one is SAS names are not case sensitive. As I said previously, SAS programming is not case sensitive. The same thing for SAS names also. SAS names are not case sensitive, but data is case sensitive. Okay. And if it is a character and if it is a character data contains small single quotes. Okay, and I'll just explain you that. So until now, until this point, SAS names are not case sensitive, but data is case sensitive. Okay. For example, so this particular naming, as you know, so the SAS program is not case sensitive, which means which even include the SAS names also. We can write the SAS names, in whichever choice we want. Can be lowercase, uppercase, prop case, mixed case, anything. Okay, but data in the sense this particular data. Okay, this is always a case sensitive. Okay, if I run this one, okay, if I run this one, so there is an capital letters. Okay, so there's an capital letters. For example, I want to fetch a data with only name equal to so and so So name equal to ABC. Okay. I want to fetch a data with name equal to ABC. So I'll write here where name equal to ABC. So I have given name equal to ABC in small letters or lowercase. So I don't see the data. You see here, there are 0 observations because as data being a case sensitive, it doesn't find any name with lowercase of ABC. Okay, so that's the reason we got result as 0 observations. Now if I just change it to ABC into uppercase, we get the ABC data. Okay, so you see this the second part is if it is character, it should contain single quotes. Okay, so normally so this particular, whenever you see data in terms of alphabets, that's considered as character data. Okay, data is in a
What
character.
data? Sorry.
No, data is in a character
Cat
form. Character data.
character. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, data is in a character form. Okay. So
Mhm.
whenever you want to extract data, extract the character data, so it should, it should be in quotes. Okay, the data should be in quotes. In the program, it should be in quotes. So there's a program, right? So you want to extract this name equal to ABC. So ABC being in a character form, it should be extracted in quotes. Okay. So these are 4 rules which are very important, sir. Always be sure, always be sure about these rules. Okay. So names must be less than or equal to 32 characters length, and SAS names can be case sensitive. SAS data is not case sensitive. SAS names should always start with the alphabet or an underscore. It should not start with a numeric. SAS names can have numerics, but it shouldn't have any kind of a special characters. Okay. So all these are 4 rules. Next one. So once you're done with the rules, and then we have to know what kind of data we have in SAS. Okay. So how is the data defined in SAS? In which terms the data is being defined? Let's see. Okay. So if you see here in SAS, if you see here we have numeric data, we have character data. For example, I'll do one thing. 1, 2, 1. Okay. So I have character data, I have a numeric data, I have mixed data. Okay. So how does SAS treats all these data types? Okay. So normally in SAS we have 2 specific data types. I mean only two data types. So one is character data type, other one is numeric data type. So one is first one. So here you see here variable values contain letters or special characters. Okay. For example, if the if a data if a data have character data, I mean in terms of alphabets or special characters, okay, or combination of alphabets and numericals, okay, so that's been considered as a character data. Okay, and other one is numeric data type. So any data which have only numerics, like just only the numbers, that's it, nothing more than that. So that's been considered as numeric data. If you see here, I'll show you the specific column descriptions. This is ID. Okay, this ID ID has a type of, so type means data type. So it has a data type of numeric. Okay, and next one, if you see here name, so name has a the data type as character. we see here sex is the type of character. Okay, because you can say that sex have both numerics and characters. I mean both alphabets and characters. Sorry, alphabets and numericals. It still be considered as character data. Okay, and if you see here age, in age we have only numerics. If you see a salary, in salary we have only numerics. So that's considered as numeric data. And apart from this, we have date type values. I mean, whenever we, whenever we encounter, dates in terms of months. Yeah, dates. Okay, dates in the sense, today's date, yesterday's, dates, just like, dates and date time values. So, date time values can be in, date time values can have character, can have alphabets or just the numbers. Okay, if it so have alphabets or just numbers, it is still considered as numeric data type. Okay, I'll show you that one too. Insert that one. You see here, we have this date, dates, right? Now we have a today's date. Okay, today's date. Okay, so if you see here, we have alphabets and numerics. That still be considered as numeric. Okay.
In case of date,
Sorry.
It will contain both numeric as well as alphabet.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So in case of in only in dates we can we can represent them in both in both alphabets and numerics, or just numerics or just alphabets, but it will be still considered as numeric itself. Its type is still we can consider as numeric itself. Okay, we can change the format of it. I mean format in sense. So this is this is in the 03 May 2024. Okay, it's a different specified format. We can change the format to 3 May 24 in that way.
Mhm.
Yeah, but but its type will be always numeric.
Okay.
And Raju, always does it come in like this only, or normally 03 bar 05 bar
Yeah,
2024?
that's what,
Can
sir.
we get
No,
in that format as well?
yes, exactly. No, that's what I mean to say. No, we just only mentioned this particular date 9 format. So date 9, so dates have almost many formats to be to be explained. Okay, but
Okay.
this a simple and a layman format is date 9 dot. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So we can we can just use a number of formats. We have we have few specific formats. Around 20 formats. And more than that. For a date to be specified. Okay, that will go through in the in the next sessions. But for now, every date format can be can be a combination of numeric with alphabet or just numeric. It'll be it'll be termed as numeric type values. Okay. So
Okay.
that
And how did you ignored that 16th line? What is the shortcut, or how you have used?
okay.
Line 16,
Oh,
you
okay,
have
okay.
ignored from
So
running, right?
yeah, exactly. So for SAS Studio, it is control backslash. Okay, do one thing, just point the cursor on this line. Okay, on this line and press control backslash. Did you get it?
Okay. Yeah. No, for me, it has not got
Oh,
yet
right.
approved. So
Okay, okay, yeah. So it is control backslash. I mean, Thing is, it changes from application to application. Okay, few companies use SAS Studio, few online version. Few companies use SAS application. Desktop application. Few companies use SAS Enterprise Guide based on the company. Okay, so I know in SAS Studio we have in terms of control backslash. In other things we have alt control shift backslash. It changes. That's it. But control and backslash will be same, and the shift may come or may not based on the application. Okay.
Okay, and this is like converting in. This is converting into comment, right?
Yeah, comment exactly. We just don't want to run this particular piece of line. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And next one is we see here. Yeah, if you see here, and we'll just the in terms of alignment, okay, it's a fixed alignment for both characters and numeric. Okay, so so if it is a character type, it will be always left aligned. No, the data is the data will be always left aligned. See here. Here take is a name, so it's always left aligned. Okay, if it is a numeric, so it's always a right aligned. Okay, in this way. So date, I'll just show you both dates. One with combination of numeric and one with combination of. Mm, so we have in combination in terms of MMDT. Okay. Okay. So we got in this way, right? We see here. Okay. We want a slash also. 8, 1. Okay. Let's have three types of formats. Okay.
One format has gone. Only two formats are visible.
No, both. Okay. Did I miss anything? Yeah, so we got it. Okay.
No, we are getting only two date forms. Overall, there are three, right?
Okay. Did I do? Oh, sorry. Both.
Both are new date. That's why.
New date, new date. Oh, both are new dates. My mistake.
New date one.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we got three formats. Okay. If you see here, one is a combination of alphabets. One is a combination of special characters, like a backslash. So I know. Yeah. So other is a combination of just numericals. Okay. If you see here, salary. Okay. So salary is left aligned because it's just just a numeric. Okay. This age is left aligned. So I'm sorry, right aligned, and then characters are left aligned. Okay. And if you see here, the dates are always left aligned. Even though these are numerics, I mean, even the type of dates are numeric, but they're still left aligned. Okay. If you see here, we have we have different combinations with with just the numerics, with special characters, with and the alphabets, but still they are left aligned. Okay. Now always remember that the numerical values are right aligned and character values are left aligned. But in terms of dates, that's okay. Dates is not it's not required to be remembered, but still even dates are always left aligned. Yeah. Yeah. No, these are the rules which to be followed whenever we have to write any kind of a SAS values. Okay. Yeah, and yeah, yeah. So in terms of now we'll go so how to how does SAS reads values? If you see here, so how SAS reads the data into variables. So as we explained yesterday, as we went through yesterday. So in SAS, columns are called variables. Okay, data in terms of rows are called observations. Okay, so how does these gets inserted into
Columns are called?
variables?
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't variables. So normal tables are called data sets, as I said. Columns are called variables, and rows are called observations. Okay, that's a SAS terminology. That's it. Nothing more than that. So, okay. So if you see here,
Okay.
now whenever space comes in the in the data values or up to 8 characters length in 8 characters in length in data values, whichever comes first, will that data will be will be fed into this particular variable. For example, I'm not mentioning any kind of a length to it. Okay, if you see here in SAS, the default length for data to be allocated to a particular variable is 8 characters length. Okay, beyond that length we have to specify it separately. Okay, for example,
Now,
yeah,
in line number 3,
okay.
okay, after input, you're
Mhm.
giving space and then ID space. Sometimes mistakenly, if instead of one space, if it comes two space, will it throw error?
No, what happens is it considers this first first column as ID name.
I
Okay.
understood that. But
Yeah.
instead of one space, if it
Mm.
is two space, then will that be a problem? After
No,
ID, you're giving one space.
that's
Will
okay.
not be a
Space
problem.
is not a if you run this one. Okay, in this way.
Okay.
Yeah, space not a problem. I mean, space is always a problem in terms of data, but not the program.
Names.
Program. Okay, program. If
Okay.
you see, if I just mention as double spaces, it's no issues. It still runs. Okay. But always just to be always and to have a code alignment, always make sure it has it only have one space. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So normally by default SAS has a length of 8 characters. SAS takes length of 8 characters, and beyond that we have to mention our specific length. For example, ABC, right? So if I use, so it's ABC Q. Okay. So I use some specific data. Okay, around 10 characters. Okay. You see here, if I place the cursor here, now you can just see. So it is column 5. Okay, it's at line 5, and this one at line 15. So 15 minus 5 is 10. So I can say that this particular this particular data is has a length of 10 characters. Okay, if I run this one, the data gets truncated. Okay, I only have until T. Okay, in order to, because the default is 8 characters. Okay, in order to have that entirely captured, we have to mention a length. Okay, 10 dot. Sorry. What happened? So,
How about for numbers?
yeah, no issue, no issue. Yeah, it is considering the until 10 characters of length. It's okay. Yeah. Same, the same thing
How
for
about
numbers.
for
Yeah.
numbers?
So the
Numbers
default,
also same.
yeah, the default length of numbers is 8 characters, sir. Okay, the default length of numbers is 8 characters. We can mention a format just to be filled in. No, regarding the above 8 characters of length.
Now, for example, if it is integers, okay,
Yeah, any number, sir. Any
then
number. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, any number. It's not about integers or decimal or whole numbers or anything. Any number.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So, and next part is, if you see here, okay, dollars and all. Yeah. So terminology, we discussed it, right? Yeah. Mm. Yeah. And next part is missing data. So, how can we, how is the, missing data be represented in terms of characters and numeric? Okay. You run this one. See here, we get a few missing data. Need to create a missing data for this one. This moment, sir, I need to create a missing data. I'm going to create a missing data. From this one. Okay. So normally, so in terms of missing data, if you have missing data in terms of numerics, so that will be in terms of periods. Okay. So if it if if the if a particular data is blank, so it is considered as null values, right? So in terms of SAS, we have in terms of so if a numeric data is blank, so that's considered as that will be in terms of periods. Okay, that will have dots. But
No, but why the whole data got jumbled? Because in the sex it is showing 45,000.
no, I just made to jumble. Okay, because I just wanted to I just wanted to show you the missing data. Now, how is the missing missing data? 1 second, sir. One
No,
second.
I'm confused. In the data, there is a data, right? How come you're saying it's a missing data?
One moment.
if you're not mentioning in the code, then it is a missing data. No?
No. My point is, so if you see here, so we have around 10 characters of length, right? Okay.
Huh.
Okay. So I mentioned 10 dot, right? Okay. So what's happening
Hmm.
is, even for this, even for the second line, it
Oh.
considers 10 characters. So what's it doing is, it is considering all these lines until 27 something. Okay. If you see here,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
yeah, right. So the other characters
Ah.
gets jumbled up. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. So I have an option for that, just to mention a colon here, which I'll teach you in the next sessions. But still, okay, if I do it in this way, I get the data in a correct order. Okay. So I'm just removing it
Okay.
just to show you how does missing data flows
Okay.
in particular table.
Okay.
Okay.
And
So yeah,
why is that only for name and sex you have used dollar symbol and not for
yeah,
others?
I'll teach you, sir. I'll teach you. No problem.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So in terms of missing data, so if it's missing data for a particular numeric value, so it will be a period. It will be in terms of periods, dots. Okay. So if it is if it is a missing data in terms of character values, that will be in terms of just the blanks. I'll show you the blanks how it will happen. Mm, let me see.
Now, for example,
Mm-hmm.
in this data,
Mm-hmm.
if we don't know one line sex, probably for one item, we don't know the sex. The sex information is not there in the data.
Right.
In how should we write the code? Because it will consider 21 as sex. If you remove F1,
Mm-hmm.
for example, line number 7, if you
Mm-hmm.
remove F1,
Okay.
then it will consider sex as 21, right?
Right. Right. So we need to mention
So,
a dot here and then move it to the next line. Okay.
okay.
Just a missing value. We'll see. Okay. So this has come in terms of
Hmm.
blank, right, sir? If you see
Yeah.
here,
Hmm.
clearly,
So why here it is coming as space and other places dot?
that's what, in terms of character values, missing values are treated as blanks. In terms of numeric values, missing values, they are treated as
Period.
dots or periods.
Dots.
Okay, that's the convention
So
of
now
SAS.
for
Yeah.
in this output data for DEF, the salary is showing 0. Why? I mean to say
Okay.
missing data. Why it is
Do you
showing
have
as
missing
missing
data?
data?
Because I named here it as M. So as
Uh-huh.
as this numeric data, numeric data type can't read a combination of character data, right? So that's the reason. Sir, I like it, but just now just be on the missing data portion, sir. Okay. So what is the use of dollar and all? I'll teach you in the next sessions. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Just to
Okay.
now currently we are dealing with SAS conventions. That's it. Not the data. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So in terms of data, so we have whenever we see a missing data in the characters, they are represented as null values or blank values. In the numerics, they are type of dots. Okay, they'll have dots. No, that is the data convention of SAS.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So if you see here in the handout, so it's the salary means it is the numeric, so it has dots. Age means it has blanks. Okay. In sex, it has blanks. It's in this way. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So size of SAS dataset. Okay. So we have many versions in terms of SAS applications or SAS web studios. SAS studio means it's an web-based application. Okay. So this is what it's a web-based application. Okay, so normally, in real time, we normally use SAS applications, which will be in terms of desktops. Okay, so normally, prior to SAS, 9.1 version, so it can take up to 32,767 columns. Okay, 32,767 columns. So and now, you can specify as many columns as possible, until the CPU memory. Okay, uh, um, after this 9.1 version, we can mention up to as many as columns until and until we have a specific memory, mentioned to a particular server or the CPU memory. Okay. So normally, we can have SAS in many ways. So for example, as I told you before, we have SAS windowing environment, just like, just like an application. We have SAS, we have SAS application. I'll just show you SAS the application. So this will be in this way. So there's a SAS window application. Okay, it will be in this way.
We are unable to see your other screen.
Oh, is
Yeah.
it? Oh, one second, one second. How about now, sir? Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm.
So in terms of SAS window application, so this will be SAS window application. Okay. So because SAS is a SAS itself is a licensing tool. So we can't use we can't get these licenses for this application. It's a bit costly. So there's a SAS window application. Okay. Other one is SAS enterprise guide. No, I just so other one is we have mostly we use SAS and SAS enterprise guide. Let me just see SAS enterprise guide. Okay, this will be a SAS enterprise guide in this way. Okay, it will be in this way, sir. The enterprise guide. So mostly, in terms of so mostly in
Yeah,
terms
they
of
deal with the
hello.
yeah,
Yeah.
sorry, Raju.
Yeah. Okay. So mostly,
Windows.
so if you want to use SAS EG or SAS windowing environment, so those are those are some licensing based, which only it's little it's a bit costly. Only the once you jump into a real a real world real time experience, there you can have this SAS EG and SAS application, and some companies even have this SAS what we're using. It's called SAS Studio, a web based application. Okay, because this this web based application, it is the cheapest one in terms of other other SaaS applications. Okay, yes sir. So all these are next functionalities. All these come under SaaS application, SaaS windowing application, which we doesn't require all these these options and all, because SaaS Studio has its own options, which I'll teach you in the next session.
But in the real world, probably we might not be working on SaaS Studio, right? Either enterprise or window or something we would be working, right?
It
So
depends on the
how
company, sir.
different?
It depends on the
Yeah,
company. Okay. So
that's
how
right.
different in the sense, except the options, the programming will be same.
Okay.
Okay. Options, anyways, you can explore because it's just a drag and drop, just a look and feel. That's it. Now, if you just see here, it's called delete. Okay, which you know it,
Hmm.
right? So
Hmm.
options, which you can explore on your own. But in terms of coding, it is the same.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So in the next session, we'll just go through data step, proc step. Okay. No, the steps, your, why do we want to mention this dollar symbol and all? In the next step, we'll just go through all. in the
Can you
next
explain
sessions.
one last thing?
Yes, sir.
Can you go to the code once, please?
Sure.
Yeah. So after data, the second line, in-file data lines. What exactly? Why are we giving
Sir,
that code
thing is,
or the?
I'll teach you each and every line in the next session, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, there's
Okay.
just
Okay.
an
Fine.
overview. That's it. So, and how does SAS works?
Okay.
How the code works and all. That's it. Okay, each and every line.
Okay.
I know, we have separate sessions for that. For this data
Okay.
part, for this in-file part, input part, data lines part, this set part, format. Each and every step we have. We have separate sessions.
Okay.
Yeah.
And where can we find this PPT? Whatever you are teaching in the
I'll share it
PPT.
to you, sir. No, this is my build-up handout. So I'll just share it to you. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And can you also share this XYZ file which you have just created, na? That also can you share with us?
So this entire
XYD
data, yeah, I know
file.
this. Okay,
Uh,
okay. No,
uh,
so this entire data, this entire file, it's in this. No, these examples are been copied from this one itself. From this,
And
from
okay.
this handout itself. Okay, we'll
Yeah.
find this one.
So
This is the example here.
yeah. So give this handout so that we can
Yeah,
practice.
I'll do it. So I'll do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anything else, sir? Anything else, ma'am?
Nothing. That's it.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am.
And
No,
one
yeah.
last thing, how
Yes, sir.
many this course duration is for how many months?
It will be almost 2.5 months to 3 months, 3 months, sir. So SAS,
Okay.
this SAS programming, which I'll teach you, it'll be around 1.5
Mm,
month. And clinical
mm.
SAS, will be based on the clinical person. I mean, no, the person. It will be mostly, it can be from 1 month to 1.5 month.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So programming
Fine.
part and all, I'll teach you. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, sir. We'll just wrap this session then.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So so for this week, we just only have these two, yesterday and today. From next week, I'll just show you the schedule this Sunday. Okay.
Okay.
So next week, from next week, we'll be having around three sessions per week. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And which are the dates? Days?
Yes, I'll just I'll just show you in this on Sunday. On Sunday, on by Sunday EOD, I'll just show you the schedule for the next, for the upcoming session for the next 1.5 month. No, it'll be the same,
Okay. And
same time and same days for the next 1.5 month. Yeah.
okay. And
Mhm.
Saturday, is there a class?
Uh, so I think just stop sharing and stop
Because
recording.
to you it is Friday, for us it is still Thursday night.